Please give a big hand, audience.
The media. Atiti Devo Bhava. You are all our very esteemed guests. And as we come from this beautiful spiritual country, Bharat, India, it gives me huge honor to welcome you all at everyone's favorite place, the Brand Country Club. We are truly thankful and humbled to be here with our Honorable Chairman and Managing Director of Country Club. As we all know, of course, Country Club is one of the leading clubs for allowing families come together and celebrate every celebration. It could be every festival which is celebrated here in India is celebrated at Country Club. And this is exactly why Country Club came up, so that we get time to spend with our loved ones, with our families, and become one. And here, at this very amazing Dandiya Nights 2K24, which is absolutely the biggest one ever, we are also unveiling the franchise. We truly look forward to Country Club franchise as well. Before I hand over to our respected Honorable Sir, I'd like to mention, sir, that just the way our yoga went viral in 2020 during the pandemic, when we started from the 18th of March, our Navratri also went viral, and I'm so lucky and truly humbled and full of gratitude to be the official brand ambassador. So when we used to have our yoga classes, sir, in between people used to feel we need some music to dance. So we used to also teach them Garba and Dandiya. And during the Navratri festival of 2020, where maybe a little bit we were opened up but not given permissions to have complete Navratri celebration, we at that time too had the Navratri celebration on the page of Country Club, where we gave the music to the entire world and the world would dance and send us their videos. This is exactly what Country Club does. Country Club at your doorstep. I've been truly fortunate to be a part of the Country Club since 2016, and जब से मैं Country Club में पहली बार मैंने गरबा किया, let me tell you, it was the unveiling of the book Nine Nights Navratri, which is the first book in the world unveiled by the Honorable former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Srimati Agnibén Patel. It was Sir who did the unveiling, and thereafter, of course, having performed at Paris, and last year the biggest celebration at New York Times Square, when lakhs of people were watching me play Garba, is just because of Country Club. So I'm truly humbled and overwhelmed to be here. So this Dandiya 2K24 is extremely special, where we're also looking forward to franchise joining us here. So I'm going to please hand over to Sir before I take you into the beautiful Garba Dandiya zone. Friends from the media, humble thanks to each and every one of you. What a beautiful moment, as we shall request Mr. Rajiv Reddy to address us all. And sir, hello.
Thank you for the entire media. Let me wish you in advance on this glorious occasion where I thought I could unfold our future plans. Our future plans because of growth rate and because of the tourism that is happening around the world. India happens to be somewhere very close to 9 or 10 in the world. And I think with the population and all that, that is not a very happy thing. We need to grow, and we need to grow, we need to position ourselves strategically so that tourism can boom. And with the new networking that has come and new government policies, I'm sure I think we will definitely get the top 2, 3 the next 3-4 years if we continue to focus on tourism and especially global tourism. Country Club has achieved the record number of rooms last year with about 50,000 room nights, which is one of the best in the industry. But then that is not enough. You know, the future is amazing. Sky is not the limit. And we around the country and in different parts of the world, you know, people know about the Country Club and they want Brand Country Club to be there. But then we have our own limitations. We thought that the best way to get forward.
Sandeep will just give a brief of the event which is going to happen at Begapet Hockey Stadium. Country Club and Relevance is doing this magnificent.
Everyone.
Yes, it was a wonderful display of what is going to happen. Yeah, what you have just seen is just a small thing that is going to happen again this year. I mean, this year is going to be again fantastic. As we say that we are Asia's biggest Navratri bash, yes, it is going to be much bigger than the previous ones. You have seen Simran Ahuja and the rest who have just done a performance. It was very magical, very interesting, and very thought-provoking. You see, Country Club, when we started this Navratri was not even existing in Hyderabad. But then we made sure that we started this in a very big manner. And today, Pan India, it is packed with people. More than 2 lakh people will be attending this show. And it is going to be one of the biggest hits of this year. Thank you.
Welcome to Country Club's Asia's biggest Navratri Utsav, the Dandiya Nights 2K24, and I'm truly overwhelmed because now Garba is a part of UNESCO, and this is such a huge honor. When Mr. Rajiv Reddy unveiled the book 9 Nights Navratri, which was that why Garba should be celebrated across the world. It is the dance of the universe. So when you unveiled the book, we had no idea, where we were invited by BBC London for an interview regards the book, which was penned down by me. But sir, all thanks to you, because of your encouragement, we ourselves spread the world, and with Garba and Dandiya, right from going to Paris to performing at New York Times Square to Los Angeles to Norway to Switzerland and to several other countries, I really want to thank you because you gave me that pump, that go ahead and spread Garba to the world. So it's a huge honor, and everybody, pan-India, we're having this beautiful celebration. Nowadays, we don't get time to spend with our loved ones. Why should we do Dandiya and Garba, and why is it known as such a popular dance form? So I really want to mention this. This is the dance form where age is no bar. You can even be 82 years and still dance. And weight is no bar. So even if you weigh around 150 pounds, how you can be a part of it, all you have to do is just carry a smile, because we're dancing with our loved ones. We're dancing with our family, with our loved ones. And if you don't know the other person, all you do is smile and enjoy the music. The rhythm itself is such a beautiful rhythm, and most important, it is the dance of the goddesses, by the grace of the goddesses. Jai Ma Ambe, hello, what a beautiful feeling. So please do join us, Pan India, at the Dandiya Utsav 2K24. It's the biggest Navratri ever, because now Garba is also a part of the UNESCO's cultural intangible celebration. So this is a huge honor, and a humble thanks to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for truly taking Garba to the world just the way yoga is traveled the world. So I'm so excited and thrilled, and thank you very much, Country Club. Thank you, Rajiv, sir. 1 second. I'll introduce you. So this year we are very excited to also have a partners here at Hyderabad with Country Club. What do you like to say? How excited are you?
Yeah, hi all. I'm Sandeep Kumar. We are from Relevant Events. We are very happy to associate with the Country Club, such a biggest brand in the India. So we are happy to announce that 2024, Navaratri 2024, this year the largest and the biggest event ever happened in Hyderabad. It's going to be happening in Begumpet Police Hockey Stadium. So from 3rd October to 12th October, we are planning for such a 10 days of a complete season, Navaratri season. And the highlights of the show is like we are bringing the most famous Raja Beats band from Maharashtra, and we have authentic 2 Gujarati singers who performs like across like all the 10 days, and also the top 10 DJs from Hyderabad. They are coming up for our show, and they are going to perform for complete 10 days. So ఇందులో మనకి 10 days ప్రతి DJ కూడా మనకి every day like they are going to spend for 1 hour, and the other 3 hours it's going to be live performance, Garba as well as Dandiya performance. So we are inviting all the people from all the corners in Hyderabad, Gujarati Samaj and Lohana Samaj, all the Bengalis who are living in Hyderabad. We are inviting them to be a part of our the largest and biggest event ever happened in Hyderabad. Yeah. సో యాక్చువల్గా మేము ప్లాన్ చేసింది మా గ్రౌండ్ కెపాసిటీస్ లైక్ 10,000 కెపాసిటీ గ్రౌండ్ అండ్ వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ద సేమ్ 10,000 క్రౌడ్ పర్ డే అండ్ ఆల్సో లైక్ మేము బిగ్గెస్ట్ దాండియా సెటప్తో వస్తున్నాము అండ్ ద కంప్లీట్ ఎంటైర్ వెన్యూ మేము దాండియా సెటప్తో డెకార్ చేస్తున్నాము అండ్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ అథెంటిక్ ఫుడ్ స్టాల్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో కమర్షియల్ స్టాల్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఏ పంజాబీ దోల్ అండ్ గుజరాతీ దోల్ and different kind of dole setups we are doing. Yes, sir. We have also like ample parking space. Those who are coming for our show, they're comfortable. They can park their cars and all. Comfortable. They can enjoy along with the family, kids, all age groups. We are welcoming. So over the crowd, over 10 days, across 10 days, like we are expecting 1 lakh people from across the Hyderabad for 10 days. So మనకి ఇక్కడ టికెటింగ్ కేటగిరీస్ క్లబ్ మెంబర్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ షో కంట్రీ క్లబ్ ఈజ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ షో సో క్లబ్ మెంబర్స్ దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ 3-4 days అండ్ జనరల్ పీపుల్కి ద టికెట్ కేటగిరీస్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ వెరీ బేసిక్ ప్రైస్ దట్ ఈస్ 99 rupees for kid and 299 rupees for adult. We have a VIP categories also that is for 499 rupees for a single person and couple categories it's 999 rupees for couple category and also we have the complete season pass which is like will give you the access for 10 days of complete show so you can access every day you can come to the our show and you can enjoy along with the family. సో టికెట్స్ అనేవి మనకి ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్గా ఈసారి మనం బుక్ మై షోతో నుంచి టైప్ చేసుకున్నాము ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ టికెట్స్ విల్ బీ అవైలబుల్ ఆన్ బుక్ మై షో.